Benet's Bloody Bits.
Hi, my name is Jason Benet, and welcome to Benet's Bloody Bits. Today we have an unboxing. This is a package that I've been waiting for 6 months to get from TerraVision. 3 movies, 6 months. Finally here. Let's crack it open and see what I got. All right, let's see if the wait was worth it. What do we have here? All right. The jar. Been wanting to see this since the VHS days. I remember the artwork for this like it was yesterday. There's the bat. I guess it also goes by the title Sharon. The jar. Nice slipcover. I am impressed by the quality from TerraVision. And that's probably going to glare a little bit. The jar. I believe that one's from 1984. So definitely in my groove, in my wheelhouse. The jar. Hollowgate. Very sweet. Look at that. Blood, the axe. Very, very cool. There's the art. Also from the 80s. You see a theme here? I do. Boom. Last but not least, Woodchipper Massacre. Look at that. Chunks of body parts flying out of the woodchipper. All right. That's it. 3 titles from TerraVision. Definitely going to watch The Jar first. Hollowgate. Woodchipper Massacre. If you've never ordered from TerraVision, I will say a lot of extra features. The quality on these slipcovers, on par with Severin, maybe not Vinegar Syndrome, but very awesome for a smaller boutique label company. I definitely need to order 2 more films from them, Dreamstalker being one of them, as well as The Newly Deads, which has a very young Doug Jones in it. So here we go, recap. This is what I got. It took a while, but that was when TerraVision had just branched off from Vinegar Syndrome. From people that I've talked to, it's gotten much better. So definitely just a small, issue with it taking long, but all physical media collectors, we have a backup of so many films that we haven't even watched yet. Some haven't even been opened. So that's a small complaint. That's it, guys. Just want to do this really quick unboxing. Take care and stay scared.